Alright guys, good evening, morning, afternoon, whatever the time zone you're located in. Uh, feel welcome to our first video demonstration. As I promised you, by this weekend we will have some video demonstration where you will learn a very fantastic strategy for your binary options trading sections, for your daily sections, so you can make some profit, guys. So what I'm bringing you today, okay guys, is I have two tools, okay, that you will have to put in place. First, of course, you will have a strategy to put in place. Okay, you can use it on your own. You can demo account them if you would like to. You can until you feel confident, okay, or you can just give it a try, check spot by spot what I'm going to explain you, and you can implement it on your own and you can make some profit. That's the first thing we're gonna learn, the basic strategy. It's very simple, guys. You will not believe it, but once I'm showing you this, you will think, oh my god, this is in front of my eyes all the time, and I was not able to see it at any moment, but it's been there all the time, guys. If you've been in binary options for quite a bit already, you know, you will see and you will realize that this is kind of, come on man, it was there all the time and I was not able to realize. I didn't realize that. So as you all know, I'm a trader, okay? So all trader, what we've been doing is all the time studying, looking, reading charts, learning about patterns, about candlestick, about market volatility, about market movement. So I came across to this strategy, and so far it has a very high ITM ratio. Okay, so this is the first thing we're gonna learn, the strategy. The second thing that we will have to do in order to make some profit with this fantastic strategy is money management, guys. Money management is extremely important. Money management when it comes to trading binary options. Do not, guys, do not mix your binary options with your emotions, and of course do not add your account balance, because you will blow up your account. So what I'm trying to tell you guys, because the strategy that I'm going to show you is really amazing, do not attempt to enter 3, 4, even 5 trade at a time, guys. Use one trade at a time. This is specific and very simple money management that all traders should know. If you are beginners on this and you want to play with some money, use a demo account, guys, until you feel confident. But when it comes to your real money, your real cash, your real hard-earned money, guys, take care of it, okay? Binary options is a way that you can make a lot of money of it, but of course you need to respect your money, otherwise your money will disappear from your hands. The money will realize, oh, my owner doesn't respect me, so I'm going somewhere else, and then they go to the people who has a lot of money, the brokers. So you don't want that to happen, okay? So money management, guys, what I'm going to teach you is very simple. You have let's say you have $100 account on your broker account, okay? That's your balance, $100. So what you're gonna do with this $100 is very simple. You're gonna use your minimum per trade on your broker, okay? You're gonna use your minimum. It could be $5, it could be $1, it can be however, but you're gonna use the minimum, guys. You're gonna first place one trade with this strategy. Your first trade. If you ITM, you continue the same sequence. You place another trade once the first trade is already done and it's already finished and it's already ITM. Then you move to the second one with the same strategy, using the same amount of money. Once you have one OTM, if you're investing $5 on the first trade, ITM, second trade, ITM, third trade, $5, OTM. So what are you gonna do? Once you know the consistent of the ITM ratio of this strategy that I'm about to show you, you will realize, well, I can recover that on my next trade, because you know that this strategy will recover your loss. So if you invest in $5, which OTM, the next level you're gonna invest is $10 trade, guys. You're gonna recover your $5 probably, plus you're gonna make some profit. Once that happens, your next and fourth trade should be again back to the minimum, and that's how your account balance is gonna grow a little bit every day. Believe me, do it like that and you will remember me. You will email me, you will text message me, you will PM me saying, whoa, you were right, I'm using the strategy that you show us, and then my account balance is growing, and you will get to know what I'm trying to talk about. Guys, it's a little warm here. As you can see, I'm kind of sweat, so please excuse me. I'm gonna wipe my face. I have some issue with the AC. They are trying to fix it all day. It's been like that. Anyways, so let's get into business, guys. So the first thing we're gonna use is, of course, your chart indicator, your chart software. I use this application. I use MetaTrader 5. Okay, so if you've been around for a while in binary options, so you should know about this MetaTrader system. It is MetaTrader 5, which I'm using. People are using MetaTrader 4, which is kind of the same to me. It's almost the same. Or you can use your own chart service. People use some free stock chart. Whichever you feel comfortable, you can use it, guys. So right here I have a blank page of my MetaTrader 5. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some assets, these currency pairs. Okay, so we're gonna go to File, New Charts. I go to Forex, then I go to Major. So we go from the most powerful currency pairs we know already. So Euro USD, now we're using New Zealand USD. Also we are gonna add USD CAD, it's a great one, and GBP USD as well. For the purpose of this video, we're gonna add only this 4 assets. Remember, guys, that we need to bid on M1 and M1 only. Remember that. This is the first thing you need to do for this strategy. M1, you click over there. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do, the second thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove these grids. I don't like them. Out. Boom. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna switch this from these bars, and then we're gonna go to candlestick. The color is up to you, guys. You can manage your color on right click, properties, and then right here you choose your color. It's on your own. For the purpose of the video, we're not gonna deal with that. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna insert an indicator, which is, you're not gonna believe it, a simple stochastic oscillator. That's what we're gonna use. That's all we need. So stochastic, guys, on default is gonna come here. It's gonna come from 80 and 20 here. So we're gonna switch that by double click, and then we're gonna put 100, and of course 10, which is already there because this is how I use it. And then we're gonna click OK. So this is what we have in place. Second thing I'm gonna add is the Bollinger Band. Okay, Bollinger Band, actually I'm gonna add it, but it's not like we're gonna use it all the way. So I'm just going to add it because sometimes it's very important to look at it, but this is not what we're looking right now. So okay, so we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna add Bollinger Band. Okay, yeah, you can leave it just like that. Okay, sorry guys, it's kind of sweat here. Anyways, guys, so we're gonna just click here just for the purpose of this video, and also this over here allow you to have a better looking of the charts. Okay, this is all we need, guys. Believe it or not, this is all we need. Let me just put this a little smaller. Okay, this is all we need. But guys, I have my own colors, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna right click, gonna go to template because I already saved the templates, and I'm gonna make it look the way I trade it every day. So it's the same, just the color has changed, guys. Okay, so next thing, let me just do the same for this assets. Right click, templates, and M1, yeah, right click, templates, okay, M1, and of course this one, right click, templates, N1, yeah, there you go. Sorry for this. Okay, so what we need to do here is, let's just go to, yeah, New Zealand Newsy, either one, it doesn't matter which one. Okay guys, so this strategy actually is based on oversold condition, overbought condition, that if you've been around for a while you know what it means. So basically what we're gonna do here is, please remember, okay, let's go to window and tile windows. Okay, so we have a better look at the 4 assets that we have in place to work with. Okay, so obviously guys, at this time, as I mentioned, it's weekend, so this is, the market is already closed. That's why you don't see any movements of the markets, because it's already closed. This is actually the Friday here on Easter time right now. It is, as you can see my watch here, it is 11:19 p.m. okay, August 19, is it? Yeah, August 19. So this is the time here at the moment of recording this video presentation. So the next step that we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna find a situation to implement the strategy. So for example, look at here, Euro USD, right? Remember, we are on M1. So when you see, let me just push this back here so you can have a better idea. If you see this chart right there, right? For example, we're here, right? Just for the purpose of this video, this example. So you see that you have this window, right? This 4 chart. But you see that right here, you see something going on here. You see that this price is going over so big time on the Euro USD. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go there. Okay, sorry for that. We've been here. It was here that I was showing you this area, right? Even here, it doesn't matter. This is what we're looking for, guys. That this line cross below this line. Remember, guys, that this is a stochastic in 10 and 100. It is not 80 and 20. It's very important that you remember those 2 things. You need to switch from 80 and 20 to 10 and 100. So once you see this situation right here, for example, let me just grab the cross. For example, we have a situation here. Look, oversold right there. And look right here what's happening, guys. So this strategy is based for, it is on a strategy that is gonna work better for 3 to 4 minutes expiry time. Remember that, no longer than that, guys, otherwise you will get an OTM. Believe me, it has to be from 2 minutes and a half all the way to 4 minutes. Cannot be more than that, guys. And of course, please remember to check for your daily news data release from whatever you like to check it. Personally, I use this fantastic investing.com. I use the investing.com website for the news release, the calendar. So it's a great website for that purpose. Anyways, going back here, guys. So look at here. We have a very nice situation here crossing. And of course, look at this. This candlestick right here is the one that we need to be focused on at the same time that this one is crossing our line. Okay. Why? Very simple. Just a second, guys. Alright. Okay, yeah, there you go. Anyways. Right here. It is an oversold condition. And of course, right here, before this candlestick ends, that's why I have this watch right here, guys, because I need to watch the seconds. Once I see this candlestick is continuously pushing on a bearish movement, pushing down, and I see the oversold condition, it is a great opportunity for me to wait for at least to 55 seconds over here, 50, 52, which you must have your broker ready, guys. You need to have your broker ready. And before this candlestick closes, then I place my entry for 3 or 4 minutes. and then count, and then count, guys, count. For example, look at this. If you would place a trade right here, okay, obviously you're not gonna wait for these candles to close, but for the purpose of this video I'm just gonna show you, right? So you place a trade right there for 3 minutes. Look what happened, guys. Count 1, 2, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes ITM, even 5 minutes. It was an ITM. Remember, this is an stochastic on 110, no 20 and 80. This is extremely important that you remember that, guys. It's very simple strategy, but if you don't use it on the correct way, you're gonna mess it up. So let's find another situation here. So again, we have another situation here of oversold condition. Very nice. So let's grab our cross and let's check. So look at this, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. From this candle, from this long bearish candle, very nice bearish candles. Let me just delete this one for the purpose of this. So look at the push, strong push down. As you can see, guys, the Bollinger Bands are there, but I'm not even using them. Actually, I don't need them. Let me remove it because we don't need them. So just for the purpose of this video, just be very attentive to these conditions that I'm showing you. We need to check for this condition. Personally, I like to use this tool for call option. It works a little better for call option. Why? Because if you can see right here, I see perfectly my line number 10, but the 100 line is very hard to catch it. Actually, it's kind of hide somewhere. The reason, which I'm not sure why the reason is, but if you see right here, this condition right there, which is extremely high, which I believe this is the line should be there, but I'm not sure because I can't see it properly. So I just don't go by puts, but you can check it on your own. You can do it if you would like to try it, do it on demo. But once, I noticed that once we have this condition right there, this peak over there, which is extremely high, also here, which is already oversold, okay, sorry, overbought, and then we have a bearish condition going back down here. See, over there is overbought over there, and what happened then? Count 1, 2, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, even 6 minutes, still ITM. See what I mean? But personally, I prefer to use these conditions below here. See? So now we have we found two opportunities of ITM. Once again, we found this one over here, oversold here, and then we have the retracement back up. Very nice ITM. Same thing happens here, oversold here, and then the price back again up for a couple of minutes. So let's just go back and check for another opportunities, for another chances of ITM. See, right here I see another one. Let's check what happened here. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Here, if you would have placed a trade here for a short period of time, for example, right, you wouldn't have 2.5 minutes probability of ITM. Look at this. 1 minute, 2 minutes, even 3 minutes ITM. Okay, again, look, another price over there. This price is not even completely oversold, but still, look the person, look the high possibility or probability of ITM, guys. You place the trade right there, right? And look what happened next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you name it, you count them. Remember, we are on M1, right? Which means that each candlestick is equivalent to 1 minute. Another ITM over there, you name it. So let's go back, continue watching what we can find right here. Oh, beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Let's see. Remember, guys, to check the news. Oh, sorry. One more time here. You will find some opportunities that you will have an OTM, guys. But in case of that happens, so remember the money management that I already mentioned to you. Okay, so we find already three conditions, right? ITM. So I can see right here I'm watching an OTM conditions, which I'm about to show you. For example, look at here. You could have an easily OTM right here, because look, the price is oversold right there, right? But look at the candlestick where we are at the moment, see? And then continue bearish up until here. Then we have a tiny retracement, but not enough in order to recover, and then the price continued retracing back down, and this would have been an OTM. Okay, but remember, we are 3-1. We are 3-1 at the moment. So let's just go back and continue watching what we can see here. Look, another one here. Another oversold conditions. Okay, and look what happened next, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. For example, let's check. We are here, right? We are here, and then this candlestick comes completely down. Boom. If we would have placed right here, for example, remember, we don't wait until the candlestick to close. That's why we have this watch over there. This watch, guys, is a software which I downloaded for the purpose of this situation, actually, for this strategy, because you can have it here also, but once you click out of it, see, it's the same, 57. Once you click out of it, it goes away, and I need to be consistently watching this. I need it to be in front of my eyes at all the time. So you can check, you can go for some personalized watch on your desktop. It's up to you guys. I use this one. Another opportunity here, guys, of ITM. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes ITM, even 60-second ITM. Remember, guys, this strategy is not for 60 seconds. 60 seconds is gambling, and I don't do 60 seconds. If you want to try it, do it on your own. It's your responsibility. I'm showing you a strategy, excellent strategy for 2 minutes and a half, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, no longer than that, guys. Also, it's extremely important that you don't go that longer than that. So once again, we have another opportunity here of ITM, which is 4 ITM and 1 OTM at the moment, guys. All right, so let's continue watching, guys. Look at here, we have another very nice situation of completely oversold conditions. Okay, look at this price here. Where we are? Right here. Look at the price here. Look at this candlestick here, guys. This candlestick, let me explain you something. This candlestick over there is very important. Why this candlestick is very important? First of all, it's a completely, sorry for that. 1 second, let me just wipe my face again. It's very hot here, guys. I don't know, this AC is killing me. Anyways, this candlestick opens at a price, okay? It pushed back down on the bearish side, never retrace, and if it retraces, you can't see it because there's no tail on it. It opens at the same time, never retrace back up because there's no tail, that the price was there, and then again this price over there closed exactly at the end of his journey. So it's a sign that the price is pushing hard down. Okay, you don't have any tail like this, you know, saying that the price should go back up. So anyways, so this situation here is very important. Once you see this candlestick, if you see something like this is approaching, please stay away from it. Okay, look at this, what happened next. The candlestick is completely going back down. Anyways, and then the price right here reaches the very low part of it. And over here, guys, also remember to wait for this crossover of the stochastic. You see the cross of the lines, the red dotted one and the blue one. It's very important once you see this kind of candlestick that you follow this. It's nothing hard to catch, just you need to be focused. But once you place the trade over there, look at what happened. Remember, guys, once you have those kind of OTMs, in case you have OTM in this kind of situation, it's very simple. Your next tool to use, you know what it is? Simple, your money management. If you have $100 account, you invest $5, ITM, boom, there you go. $5 again on the next one, ITM, fabulous. $5 again, fabulous, ITM, and then $5 investment again, OTM. It's okay. Even if you don't want to double your investment, you can see the consistency of this winning ratio. Okay, guys, you can just continue with your 5. That's up to you. Still, you're gonna make profit. But remember, binary option is all about strategy and money management. If you use your money management skills as well together with this strategy, boom, you're gonna be a fantastic account growing. Let's see this opportunity right here, guys. Look at this. We have another opportunity right here. The lines, both of them are touching below the 10 line of my stochastic oscillator indicator. And then look what happened next. You name it, guys. Look at this. Beautiful. Let's say let me just check where we are completely. Both of the line below. This is both of the line below, guys. You need to wait that both of these lines are below, okay? Once you see this, boom, you name it. You place a trade here somewhere in this candlestick. And a couple of minutes later, look what happened. 1, 2, 3 minutes ITM, 4 minutes ITM, in 5 minutes, 6, 7, 8 minutes ITM. You can see it's very simple, guys. This strategy, you can use it even though if you are brand new to this world of binary options. Okay? Once again, for those of you who still don't know me, my name is Juan. I am the admin in charge of the Goodbye OTM on Facebook group, Binary Option Signal Service, guys. I do apologize for the timing that we post some signals. Sometimes is due to the time zone that we are. Sometimes you guys are sleeping and I'm here. For example, I am GMT minus 4 hours, guys. So it's kind of tricky for me. Anyways, also I have a job. Believe it or not, I'm still not completely independent. I still have a job. I'm planning to leave that soon and concentrate together with my wife to binary options completely. And that's why sometimes I don't have such a big amount of hours in order to play some trades during the GMT hours. So that's the reason why, guys, and I do apologize for that. As you can see, guys, I'm just a normal guy right here. I'm inside my bedroom. Okay, I'm not one of those fakes, guys, that you see all over the internet, all over the YouTube, saying this, saying that, promising the world. And as you can see, guys, I'm just showing you something very simple that you can put in place to make money on your own. Another thing that I don't like to do, guys, I just hate doing so. I don't like to impress anybody with any account balance. That's why sometimes I show you some results, and most of them, honestly, are on a demo account, guys, because this is what I do when I have nothing to do. When I come from my job and I have nothing to do, I come here, I just sit down on the computer and I start looking at the charts, reading, learning, finding a way to make some money. Because once I decide to leave my job, to resign, to whatever I decide to do, then I want to concentrate to binary options and I want to make money, because I want to be financially freedom with binary options, guys. I know I can do it, and you all can do it. And remember, binary options is a completely way to make money, but you need a good strategy, and of course you need a good money management, and of course you need to put all your emotions on the side. I have lost a lot of dollars at the beginning of this journey in binary options, so the times teach you, you lose money, you fall on promises, fake promises around on all these fake push button software that end up your account. I've been through all this, guys. I've been through all this BS, and believe me, it's enough. Okay, it's enough. So every day you see all these kind of program software coming out, trying to take your hard-earned money from your pocket, guys. Just come on, guys. There is too many heartless people in this business, and please be careful. One more thing, guys. it's extremely important that you stay away from this account manage people, okay? The people that promise to manage your account, guys. Don't fall for these scams, guys. Please, I do apologize if you know someone which is legit and is doing great with your account, but personally, I don't do these kind of things, okay? My money, I don't want anybody to deal with my money. My money, I decide to manage myself in such a way that I know what I'm doing. Come on, man. These people playing with your money, they don't know how you earn them. You don't know those people, man. Come on. You don't know even me. But this is the difference. I don't manage anybody's account. Look what I'm doing right now. I'm teaching you such a very nice way that you can see on your own. It is a great way to make some profit. You can do it on your own. Anyways, let's continue watching some of the opportunities, okay? I didn't expect this video to be so long, but anyways, guys, it's all for the purpose of learning. Look at this situation here, guys. Remember, the red dot line is not below the line 10, so it's very risky to take a trade, even though you can make money out of it. But this one, I wouldn't invest a small amount. So let's check. The price is also right there, and it's still an ITM, guys. Look at this amazing strategy. The price is oversold on the blue line of the stochastic of this blue line is oversold, and the red dot line is not even below the line 30. But look what happened. Look what happens over there. Look at this candlestick, okay? This candlestick. Imagine that we would have placed a trade somewhere in this candlestick, because remember, I don't wait until this candlestick to close. I don't wait that. If I see the price is like this and the red candlestick is pushing somehow down, pushing somehow in the bearish direction, then I place a trade. Let's see that I would have placed a trade right there where the line is, okay? Right there. Look, 1, 2, 3 minutes ITM, even 4 minutes, which is still above the line ITM. Guys, this is strategy. If you use it the correct way, you're gonna make such a very nice money. Look at here, same situation here. The red dot line is still above the line of 10 of my stochastic, but the blue line is below. And look what happened in the few minutes later. Look what happened, guys. You name it. 1, 2. Look at this. Let's say that you enter. Let's say here that I know that I wouldn't enter there because I wouldn't wait for the candle to close. I would not wait for that. So I would take my trade somewhere around there, depending on the seconds that I have here left. So imagine that you took the trade right there, okay? At the closing time of this candlestick. I'm still sweating, guys. Sorry for that, guys, but come on. And look what happened a couple of minutes right after that. 1, 2, even 3 minutes is ITM, because look where the price has closed. And then 4, 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Look at the price going up. Come on, guys. It's a great tool that you have to use it on your own, guys, because it's amazing. In case you have a doubt, please contact me, PM me, and I will help you. Look, another situation here. If you notice, guys, most of the things that I'm showing you is about call option. Okay, that's what I mentioned in the beginning of the video, that I prefer call options trading signals, because I can see the line of 10 of my stochastic. Is very easy for me to see it, but the 100 line is kind of you can't watch it. So anyways, so look at this, guys, another opportunity of ITM here. Look what happened here, and then the price moving back on the bullish side of it. So guys, I hope you learned something today, okay? Please, if you have any comments, leave it on the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is a brand new channel that I just opened for you guys in order to share the videos with you guys, and you can share your thoughts. So you can share your thought also, guys. Also, please, guys, please like and subscribe to our channel, as I mentioned before. And of course, please, if you have any question, please do not hesitate, and you can PM me, okay? One more thing, guys, regarding the Facebook group, guys. Please, 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 for those of you that would like to promote your stuff, your BS, your account management on our group, it is a no-no, guys, okay? Please, Our Facebook group is for learning, sharing signal, and for people to share your thoughts, and it's not for those BS sharing. Okay, our group is not for those account management. You cannot imagine the amount of people that we have blocked because of this situation. So no spamming at any time in our group. Anyways, whatever you post, you will have to wait for the permission to be posted. Anyways, from our side, we are very easy to contact, guys. As you can see, we are just a normal guys trying to teach you to make some money. So I hope you learned something today, guys. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact us. Please stay safe. Remember those two things that I show you today: the excellent strategy and the money management. And believe me, your account balance is gonna grow. You will remember our words. Anyways, guys, let me just push this back down. I hope you learned something. And once again, guys, if you don't know where to find this MetaTrader application, I will leave a link on the description below you where you can download it, install it, and then you can use it the same way that I just show you. Just follow the steps. And of course, guys, stay tuned for any other further video presentation that you might want to know. Okay, guys, once again, I do apologize for this sweating. I have some issues here with the AC. Anyways, nothing to worry about. So I hope you have a great time, and I hope you learn something and be cool. Cheers.